My alien friends, here's what we have discovered today on Earth. Today, we explored the fascinating world of volcanoes, one of Earth's most powerful and awe-inspiring geological features. What are volcanoes? Volcanoes are openings in the Earth's surface where molten rock, ash, and gases escape from beneath the Earth's crust. They can form mountains or craters and are typically found at tectonic plate boundaries. Anatomy of a volcano: magma chamber, the reservoir of molten rock beneath the Earth's surface. Vent, the opening through which magma, ash, and gases are expelled. Crater, the bowl-shaped depression at the top of the volcano surrounding the vent. Lava flow, molten rock that flows out of the volcano and solidifies as it cools. Ash cloud, a cloud of ash particles ejected into the atmosphere during an eruption. Types of volcanoes: shield volcanoes, broad, gently sloping volcanoes formed by the flow of low-viscosity lava. Composite volcanoes, stratovolcanoes, steep-sided, symmetrical cones built by alternating layers of lava, ash, and volcanic rocks. Cinder cone volcanoes, small, steep-sided volcanoes formed from the accumulation of volcanic debris around the vent. Lava domes, rounded, dome-shaped formations created by the slow eruption of viscous lava. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions occur when pressure from gases and magma builds up beneath the Earth's crust, causing the magma to be forced up through the vent. Eruptions can vary in intensity, from gentle lava flows to explosive events that eject ash and gases high into the atmosphere. The importance of volcanoes. Land formation. Volcanic activity has created many of Earth's landforms, including islands and mountain ranges. Soil fertility. Volcanic ash enriches soil with minerals, making it highly fertile for agriculture. Geothermal energy. Heat from volcanic activity can be harnessed to generate renewable energy. Climate regulation. Volcanic eruptions can influence global climate patterns by injecting particles into the atmosphere that reflect sunlight. Volcanic hazards and benefits. Volcanoes can be both destructive and beneficial. Eruptions can cause loss of life, property damage, and environmental changes. However, they also create rich agricultural land, new landforms, and opportunities for geothermal energy. Studying volcanoes. Human scientists study volcanoes to understand their behavior, predict eruptions, and mitigate their impacts. This field of study, called volcanology, involves monitoring volcanic activity, analyzing volcanic rocks, and creating models of volcanic processes. That's our exciting discovery for today. Volcanoes are powerful natural phenomena that shape our planet in dramatic ways. I hope this information helps you understand the importance and impact of volcanoes on Earth. Until next time, my alien friends.